As the sun sets over the village, Mira prepares for a cozy night of tea and comfort food. The air fills with warmth and tradition. Night falls gently, wrapping the village in a blanket of stars. Mira enters her home, ready to embrace the night's simple joys. In the heart of her home, Mira selects fresh ingredients for tea. Each choice carries the essence of tradition and care. The rhythmic crush of cardamom awakens sense of comfort. In this quiet moment, tradition brews into something soothing. Flames dance in the churia as water begins to warm. This simple act promises a night of peace and flavorful warmth. Ginger infuses the water with its zesty warmth. Mira stirs thoughtfully, letting the flavors of home unfold. Tulsi leaves yield their essence under steady hands. This ancient method brings healing and calm to the evening brew. The tea takes shape with Tulsi and spices blending. Aromas rise, inviting a sense of deep restorative comfort. Breathing in the herbal steam, Mira feels the day's worries fade. This tea is more than a drink, it's solace. Hands work the dough with care, transforming simple grains into comforting bread. Each fold holds stories of generations. Roti takes shape, thin and inviting. In the glow of the chula, comfort emerges from flour and flame. The tawa hisses as roti meets heat, golden edges form, promising the warmth of a heartfelt village meal. Ghee melts into the roti, enriching every bite. This touch of indulgence turns simple food into cherished comfort. Tea flows into cups infused with nature's gifts. Paired with fresh rotis, the night promises pure contentment. A hint of jaggery sweetens the brew naturally. In this harmony of flavors, evening's peace deepens beautifully. The table is set humbly yet with love. Tea and rotis await, symbols of a nurturing village evening. The first sip warms from within, chasing away the chill. In solitude, this tea weaves comfort into the soul. Roti meets curd in perfect union, soft and tangy. Each bite is a reminder of home's enduring embrace. Stars watch over as the meal nourishes body and spirit. This cozy night in the village is timeless and true. Sated and serene, Mira rests in the quiet. A night of tea and comfort reaffirms life's gentle rhythms. As the meal ends, dishes are gathered tenderly. The night's comfort lingers in every quiet action taken. Water cleanses the remnants of the feast. In these small tasks, the essence of a balanced life shines through. Through the window, the village breathes in unison. Mira's night of comfort connects her to this timeless community. With tea's warmth still lingering, words from a book offer companionship. Night deepens into thoughtful serenity. Poems echo the night's quiet beauty. In this haven, Mira finds solace in stories as old as the village itself. A shawl wards off the night's gentle chill. Wrapped in tradition, Mira settles into even greater ease. The deer's light holds ancient wisdom. In its glow, the comforts of tea and food resonate eternally. Refreshed by the night's simple gifts, Mira steps toward rest. Comfort has woven its magic deeply. The courtyard welcomes with moon's gentle light. After tea and roti, the world feels renewed and harmonious. Fireflies light the way as Mira wanders. This night of comfort extends into the village's peaceful embrace. The banyan's wisdom grounds the evening's calm. Roots of tradition anchor Mira's moments of quiet joy. Stars guide her steps back homeward. The night's comforts have filled her with lasting, gentle fulfillment. Lights dim as the night advances softly. Mira's cozy ritual concludes in tranquil, enveloping darkness. Bedding invites sleep's embrace. After tea's warmth, rest comes as a natural, soothing continuation. Eyes close as peace settles in fully. The comforts of the night carry into dreams of tomorrow's light. Darkness cradles the village in silence. Mira's cozy night fades into restorative, dream-filled slumber. The entire village rests under the stars' watch. Nights like this bind hearts in quiet, cultural harmony. Echoes of warmth linger in the air. Tea and comfort food create memories that soothe the soul eternally. Moonlight touches everyday wonders. In the village, night's quiet amplifies the day's comforting traditions. Breeze carries whispers of the night. Nature joins the symphony of rest after a meal of pure delight. The cup holds traces of herbal peace, a testament to the night's simple, profound comforts shared. The well waits for dawn's call. Nights of comfort refresh like water, sustaining the village spirit. Fireflies dance in silent celebration. Their light mirrors the inner glow from an evening of heartfelt warmth. From above, the village dreams collectively. Cozy nights like mirrors weave the fabric of enduring heritage. Breeze through the window whispers goodnight. Comfort's legacy ensures sweet dreams in the village's heart. A shooting star blesses the quiet night. May such comforts light every village evening ahead. Leaves hush as night reaches its deepest calm. The cozy ritual's warmth endures beyond the stars. Dawn's first light promises new beginnings. Last night's comforts fuel the promise of another day. As night yields to morning, the village awakens renewed. Cozy evenings pave the way for joyful dawns. In dreams, the night's comforts bloom anew. A cozy village evening, forever etched in heart and home.